Last time I filmed the video, my hands were so ashy. My hands were ashy. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Back with another makeup video, and this one is another simple one. I feel like I'm gonna do like a beginner series of me doing makeup that I think would be easier to learn if you're just starting off doing makeup. So today we're gonna do a one eyeshadow makeup look, and I promise, so easy, but looks amazing. Let's get into it. First thing we're gonna start with is base. I need to go get me a primer. I left all the primers. One second. Of course you're in the video. The video is running. It don't stop. Okay, bye. No, I don't need you. Okay. Anyways, so gonna start with primer. This is the Bright Beauty Skin Optimizing Primer. This video, my skin is looking a lot better. Last video, I was breaking out like crazy. Like my skin was just like, it didn't know what to do, girl. Okay, for foundation today, I'll be using the Infallible foundation by L'Oreal Paris, and this is in the shade Sienna. Okay, so this will look at one, and this is one of my favorite drugstore foundations. I was out of this concealer for some time, so I went back and finally got a new one. This is in the shade Chestnut. So let's go ahead and highlight the face. So really under the eyes, around the nose, chin, forehead. That's all I pretty much do for highlight. Oh, and along the nose. Did I say that? I think I said that. And I do like my under eyes like super highlighted, so we're gonna go in with the Makeupforever HD Concealer in the shade 43. Yeah, 43. Oh, now we're gonna go ahead and blend out everything with my Beauty Blender. And now we look like a corpse. I'm gonna go ahead and contour and do some blush as well. So to contour, I'll be using the Beautyblender Bounce Foundation, and this is in the shade 50. I'm gonna use this in all the areas that I wanna deepen on my face, so along the sides of my nose, under my cheekbones, like my chin to make it look more pointed. And I think that's all the areas we're gonna apply some contour today. We're looking kind of crazy. Bear with me. Now I'm gonna go ahead and apply some blush. This one is the Sweet Cheeks blush by NYX, and it's in the shade Almost Famous. Okay, let's go ahead and just blend everything in. I'm gonna blend out the blush with my Beautyblender. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and make sure the concealer and everything is all blended in seamlessly together. Now everything is nice and blended out, I'm gonna go ahead and set my face. I'll be using the Huda Beauty setting powder in the shade Kunafa. Now I'm gonna go ahead and set my contours. Okay, on my cheeks, I'm gonna be using my Colourpop Sweet Cheeks palette. And I think that's pretty much it for the cheeks today. I've already applied like blush, like cream blush, so I'm not gonna go ahead and apply blush over that. And of course, to finish off, my Sephora MicroSmooth powder in the shade Sienna. I have a lot of things in the shade Sienna. Now I'm going to go in with the Fit Me powder and I'm going to apply it around my nose. Oh. Let's go ahead and do the brows. Okay, that is pretty much it for my brows. And I didn't mention, but I used the Anastasiabeverlyhills Dipbrow, and this is in the shade Ebony. I recently did my brows and I did them super thin. I do like when my brows are really thin, and it's so easy to do when I do my makeup. Like, I used to have a big eyebrow routine. Like, my eyebrow routine right now just like takes like 2 minutes. Okay, ooh, make it up now. Okay, and this is a one eyeshadow makeup look. I'm using the shade The Senses, and it's from this palette. It's just like a 4 eyeshadow palette by Colourpop, and it's called the Down to Earth Pressed Powder Palette. And guys, I promise, like, if you're someone who doesn't wear a lot of like bright shades, this is perfect. It has a bunch of neutral shades and like a black, which is perfect if you want to do anything smoky and simple. But yeah, love this palette. So I'm using that brown shade and I'm just gonna apply it all over my lid. And what I like to do is I like to pack on the eyeshadow on the lid and then blend out just softly around the edges. Boom. Boom. That is it for the eyeshadow look. And like I said, it's so simple, but like, look, add some drama to the face. And so usually I don't do this, but it goes with the look. So today I'll be doing a black liner. I'm using the e.l.f. gel primer, and this is in the shade, I think it's in the shade Reboot. Let's now go get rid of the setting powder on my nose because it's been there for some time. It's a cute nose. It's a cute nose. That is it, I guess, for the base. We're gonna go ahead and apply some lashes. So I'm gonna go ahead with my L'Oreal Telescopic mascara, and I'm gonna apply that to my top and bottom lashes, and then I'll apply some lashes, then move on to the lips, then we'll finito. Oh, I got it under my eye. I hate when that, you know what? It's staying there. It's staying there. Yeah, I'm big mad about that spot under my eye, but okay. Then we're gonna be going in with some duo glue, and I'm gonna apply that directly to my lash line. Directly. Very directly. I can open the bottle. Ugh. Okay, now we're gonna apply a little bit of highlight because you know me. So I'm going to be using, I used the same lip liner last time, it's one of my faves. It's the shade Sunnyvale by Colourpop, and it's just a cream liner. The look is already coming together. It's already doing what it has to do. Then we're gonna be wearing this liquified lipstick by Tooface, and it's in the shade Chocolate Honey. Hello ladies. And over this I'll be using lip gloss by Colourpop, and this is in the shade Sun Soak. Okay, that is it for the video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this look. This is what I mean when I tell you one eyeshadow look, but it's giving glam, it's giving dramatic, it's giving lights, camera, action. So if you guys like this video, go ahead and, you know, hit the like button down below, subscribe. Also go ahead and follow me on my social medias. You can follow me on Instagram, you can follow me on Pinterest, TikTok. But as always, I hope you guys having a beautiful day, weekend, whatever day you're watching this video, and I will see your beautiful, lovely faces on this channel next time.